Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda CBR250R. Lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled with ABS brakes, frame sliders, and awesome sounding Two Brothers exhaust. Only 16,000 miles on this beautiful red Honda CBR250R. Come by, check it out. Price to sell just $29.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.